Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are done with the app notifications as well as SMS notifications on our previous video. So we do have a demo for the application notifications as well as text messages. On this video, we are going to focus on the Bluetooth call support. So this smartwatch do have a support for the Bluetooth call. So we'll try to connect it with the applications and see if it works with our phone here. Okay, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and of course watch this video if you want to know about the Bluetooth call support of the iTel smartwatch Fit O20. Alright, so let's start and have a demo of the Bluetooth call feature. So let's set the smartwatch. As you can see, we do have the SMS quick reply. On our previous video, we created our own message here. We have the call notifications, so let's activate it. Allow, and we'll allow it. Okay, go back. Let's add the phone number. Search, settings, notifications, everything is set here. Go back, device, my cards. Okay, other settings here, time format. I'm looking for the phone number. Wait. Okay, let's look for it. Let's see. We have an option here. Contacts. Please sync contacts in app. Okay, so we have here the Bluetooth calling, sync contacts, open contacts. So let's add the number, Sam and Cindy. Then to selected, import to watch. Okay, completed. Yes, we have it here now. Then set up Bluetooth calling. Turn on Bluetooth calling on the watch. Let's see. Settings. Phone. Okay. Phone on. Okay, seems like everything is okay. Let's see. Okay. IS. Okay, let's go to our Bluetooth connectivity settings. Go to our Bluetooth. ILS, audio, everything is okay. Input device, calls, contact access. Okay, seems like everything is okay here. Then of course, let's see. Let's start. Then let's call the number. We have the contacts here. Let's call Sam. Call. It's now calling. And we have here incoming call from Cindy. As you can see here, we do have an option to end the call, answer, or have a quick reply. So we will pick the quick reply option. Let's see. This is a test. Okay, that is an SMS quick reply. Okay, and we have here the message. This is a test. Okay, as you can see, we receive an SMS quick reply from our iTel Smartwatch Fit O20. Again, with our demo, let's call Sam. Going back. Then call. Calling, and we have here the call. Again, answer. Sorry, I can't talk right now. And we have here the reply. Okay, so the Bluetooth call here do have a support for quick reply. Then we have the call logs. We have the dial pad and the contacts. For the contacts, let's see. Let's call Sam. Okay. Oh, Cindy.
The number you have dialed is either unattended or out of
Okay,
coverage.
again.
Please try your call later.
It is busy again.
The number you have dialed is either unattended or out of coverage area. Please try your call later.
Okay, let's see. We'll try another way. Dial pad. Contacts. My number. Okay, let's call this one. 907 606 4970. Calling Cindy. And we have here the call and call. Okay, so the dial pad works. There's an issue with our contacts here.
The number you have dialed.
Okay, maybe we do have the wrong number. Again, let's go to our iPulse app. Go back. Sync contacts. Open contacts. Let's add a different number. This one. Okay. Sync. Import to watch. Maybe we do have a different number for Cindy. Then go back here. Contacts. We have Cindy. Let's see. And as you can see here, it is now calling the number. Still busy. And we have here, yes. Okay, so it works. Okay, next, let's try to answer the call here on the smartwatch. Let's call Sam. Okay, let's see if it will work. Answer the call. Hello, Sam. How are you? This is a Bluetooth call. Bye. And call. Okay, so that's the Bluetooth call for our iTel Smartwatch Fit O20. And so far it works. Everything works. The sound, the mic, and the volume is okay. And of course, one of the best features for the Bluetooth call is the quick reply option. So this smartwatch do have an SMS quick reply. Again, if you have any questions regarding the video demo for the Bluetooth call, drop a comment below, and like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.